Get ready because Samsung is about to change everything. The Galaxy S24 series might be the last of their kind when it comes to the current Galaxy smartphone flagship design. You see, smartphone design has kind of peaked at this moment, which is why we haven't really seen a major change in the design ever since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Back in the day, Samsung used to play with the design every year with every release, but now things are kind of settled. But this will not be permanent. According to the latest news, Samsung might change everything, and I mean everything, regarding their Galaxy S flagship design in 2025 with the Galaxy S25 series. Rumor mentions Hubert H. Lee, who's a former designer at Mercedes-Benz. He's been instructed to redesign and reimagine the flagship design of the Galaxy S phones, starting with the Galaxy S25 series. As much as I like the design of the S24 series, a refresh in 2025 might be a really good thing, especially if you're someone using the S23 Ultra. I believe it's still a very good phone, and waiting for the S24 Ultra with a big design change, it might be worth the wait. If this turns out to be true, the Galaxy S24 series might just be the last of their kind. We're gonna see huge changes in 2025. Also in the news, we already talked about this multiple times, but in case you had any doubts, thanks to the latest certification, it is pretty much confirmed that Exynos 2400 is coming to the S24 and S24 Plus in Indonesia, as well as other markets outside of US and China. Samsung has worked really hard on the Exynos 2400, and it is actually a pretty capable chip, but still not up to the level of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Now, speaking of 2025 and Galaxy S25 series, Qualcomm will be bringing their latest generation of chips to the S25 lineup, and well, according to the latest rumors, Qualcomm will be once again teaming up with the best in the industry, TSMC, for their Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip production. It's also reported that the 8 Gen 4 will use the custom Orion CPU cores that we have seen on the Snapdragon X Elite platform chips, meaning we could see a performance that will rival Apple M2 series laptops on the Galaxy S25 series potentially. Again, we'll see how everything goes in 2025. And last but not the least, do you guys remember Samsung Sam? She now has her official music video which Samsung posted on their official YouTube channel. The video is titled Flip Your Way, and from that you can pretty much guess that this is all about featuring the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now that Samsung has started using Sam for marketing their products, we could potentially see her with the S24 series in the future. So there we go, that's all for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below about the big design change that Samsung is planning for 2025. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.